Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write public exams and answer sheets. First, always begin by thoroughly reading all instructions provided on the front cover of your answer booklet. Next, use only the permitted pen color, usually blue or black ink, for all your written responses. Make sure to accurately fill in all your personal details, such as your name and roll number, in the designated spaces. Finally, strive for clear and legible handwriting throughout your entire paper. When structuring your answers, it is highly recommended to begin each new question on a fresh page. This practice significantly improves readability and organization for the examiner. For questions with multiple parts, utilize clear headings and subheadings to guide the reader through your response. Aim to write in concise paragraphs, with each paragraph focusing on one central idea. Remember to include relevant examples and evidence to strengthen your arguments. Effective time management is crucial during your exam. Allocate a specific amount of time for each question, proportional to its assigned marks, to ensure you attempt all sections. Maintain a high standard of neatness throughout your answer sheet, avoiding any excessive overwriting or scribbling. If diagrams or flowcharts are necessary, draw them clearly and label them appropriately. Also, remember to leave a margin of about 1 inch on both sides of the page for examiner remarks. Before submitting your answer sheet, dedicate the final 10 to 15 minutes to a comprehensive review of your entire paper. Carefully check for any questions you might have missed or sections that are incomplete. This is also your opportunity to correct any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or factual inaccuracies you might find. Finally, double-check that all question numbers are correctly written and clearly visible, ensuring the examiner can easily follow your responses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.